Hey everyone! Welcome back to Explore Cities. Today I'm taking you on an exciting journey to St. Petersburg, Russia. Get ready to uncover the magic of this stunning city of wonders. Let's start with the heart of St. Petersburg, the Hermitage Museum. This isn't just any museum, it's one of the largest and oldest in the world. Picture this! Over 3 million items, including works by Da Vinci, Rembrandt and Michelangelo, all under one roof. Walking through these halls is like stepping back in time. Next up, the Church of the Savior on Spilled Blood. This architectural masterpiece is a riot of colors and intricate mosaics. It was built on the very spot where Emperor Alexander II was assassinated. The history here is palpable. And the beauty? Absolutely breathtaking. Now let's take a stroll down Nevsky Prospect. This bustling avenue is the city's main artery, lined with shops, cafes, and historic buildings. Whether you're a foodie, a history buff, or a shopaholic, Nevsky Prospect has something for everyone. Speaking of food, you can't visit St. Petersburg without trying some local delicacies. Blini, borscht, and piroshki, just to name a few. And don't forget to stop by a local cafe for a steaming cup of Russian tea. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. For a dose of opulence, head to the Winter Palace. This former royal residence is a marvel of Baroque architecture. The lavish interiors and grandiose rooms give a glimpse into the life of Russian nobility. It's like walking through a fairy tale. And if you're a fan of literature, the Anna Akhmatova Museum is a must-visit. Set in her former apartment, this museum offers a poignant look into the life of one of Russia's most beloved poets. It's a quiet, reflective space that contrasts beautifully with the city's grandeur. Let's not forget the canals. Often dubbed the Venice of the North, St. Petersburg's network of waterways offers a unique perspective of the city. Hop on a boat tour and glide past iconic landmarks like the Peter and Paul Fortress and the Mariinsky Theatre. It's an experience you won't want to miss. Finally, wrap up your day with a walk along the palace embankment. As the sun sets, the city's historic buildings are bathed in a golden glow. It's the perfect end to a day of exploration and discovery. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of St. Petersburg, a city that seamlessly blends history, culture, and beauty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Explore Cities for more adventures. Until next time, happy travels. P.